guys, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, let's look at the economic calendar. As I said, this week is huge. So the two biggest events are the US FOMC event, which is the rate decision, the FOMC rate decision, which is happening on Wednesday, as you can see here. And also we have the Bank of Japan, which is the BoJ. They also have their rate decision, which is happening on Thursday. So that being said, we should expect a lot of volatility in the market. So I'll be trading very carefully, especially around these times. So let's look at what we have on our charts. So first things first, we'll be looking at GBP USD first. So on GBP USD, as we can see here, the market is a bit choppy. Yeah, on GBP USD, that's on the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we could see this is our daily support level. Let me show you here. So on the daily time frame, this is our daily support level here, which is the last low for this choppy movement, and then also this is the resistance, which is at 1.36500. So moving on, we go straight to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we could see that even with this consolidation we're having on the daily time frame, there is a trend within this consolidation, and the trend we could see here is a downtrend. So currently we are in a downtrend on GBP USD. And how did I know that we're in a downtrend? So we have this market creating lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So obviously we're expecting the market now to create a lower low. So that's what it is. Then on the 4 hours time frame, I have this trend line here. Which is directing me in the market, showing me that the market is in a downtrend. Although the market closed above the trend line here, but then the next candlestick engulfed the previous candlestick. So this is giving me more confirmation that we should be selling GBP USD. But remember, we don't own the market, so we don't predict the market over here. We react to whatever it is that the market is doing. So what am I looking out for? Two things basically: buy or sell. So why will I be buying this pair? I will only buy GBP USD or look for buy entries on GBP USD when the market closes above this my resistance level here, which is the 1.33705. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame, because you can see the zone was marked on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I would like to see the market closing above 1.33705, come back to retest that same zone, then I could consider buying GBP USD. So if, for example, the market breaks this zone and during the time of retest it pulls straight down without retesting around this zone, then I'm not going to be doing anything. I will just look at the market and then see what the market is going to do. So but then if I'm going to be selling the market, which is what I intend on doing for this week, so I would like to see the market pull back up a bit, maybe retesting the trend line level, giving me my confirmation. Then I will enter for a sell. This here will be my first target, which is at 1.32616, and then my overall target will be this zone here, which is actually very close to the psychological level, yeah, which is 1.3200. So that is my bearish outlook and my bullish outlook for GBP USD. So on GBP USD, I'll be waiting to see what the market does and then react to whatever it is that the market is doing. That's how I trade. So next on my list is USD JPY. So USD JPY is the pair I would really love to trade this week. So remember, we have FOMC and other news coming out, so we really need to be careful. So now on USD JPY, we've been bullish. Yeah, we've been bullish. I was able to catch this buy from here on USD JPY. So this was on Friday. That's 2 weeks Friday. and then this was on Monday. So between, I think I got in on Wednesday, on Tuesday or Wednesday, I guess, for this buy, and I closed out on Friday with multiple positions. Mind you, I'm a day trader, not a swing trader, but then I tend to hold some trades for a day or two. Yeah, so on the 4 hours time frame here, what am I looking at for? It's quite simple. The chart is very, very clean and very, very easy to understand. So now I'll be waiting to see if the market should close above 1.3, so that's 1.3, sorry, 153.00 level, close above, come back to retest, then I'll be looking to buy this pair to this my next zone here, which is around the 156 psychological level. Or if this resistance you hold on the 4 hours time frame, we sell resistance and then we buy support. So if this resistance level should hold here and then the market comes back, like pull down away from this resistance level, so I'll be looking forward to see for the market to break below this mini trend line here. Market break below the trend line, come back for a retest, and I'll be looking forward to sell to this zone, which is at the 150.500 psychological level, and then buy the market back up. So I'm more of buys than sells for this market. We have the news coming up, so the news might make this resistance here to hold, that's pushing the market down first before we see the move to the upside. But I'm more of buys than sell on USD JPY this week. So like I said, I have two scenarios, the bullish scenario and then the bearish scenario. So the bearish scenario is just here. If the market should break this zone, retest, then I can sell to these points, and if otherwise break above the 153.00 level, retest, then I look forward to buy GBP USD. So this pair is why this week is going to be very, very volatile. We have both the US and then the Japan Central Bank speaking on Wednesday, which is the FOMC decision, what could give us fuel to break this resistance, and then pull back. After the break, then we will see a pullback that will give us, then we'll go to our lower time frame for confirmation and then buy the market. And if otherwise, we've already seen the reasons why we could probably sell USD JPY. So now, those are the two main setup I am patiently waiting for. I don't force trade. I let the market come to my level. So what about you guys? Let me know what you have for this week. So these are the two pairs I have for the week: USD JPY and what? GBP USD. So let me know, guys, if you have other pairs for this week, or if there is anything you feel that can really help the channel to grow, because this is my first official YouTube. So yeah, let me know if you've got any value from this analysis, and then please guys hit the like button and then the subscribe button. This is my first official YouTube video, so I know there are going to be a lot of flaws, a lot of mistakes, so I'm open to correction. So if there is something that I need to put in place to make the next one better than this, please let me know in the comments. And then if there's anything you feel that I need to improve on, please let me know. This is my first video, just like I said. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Trade safe. I'll see you in the next one. And then yeah, thanks guys.